Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to-go channel for latest job opportunities and career tips. So today we have brought a very important opportunity from the JPMorgan Chase, which is one of the big analytics, and they are hiring for the position of analyst into strategic building and analytics. So basically, you will be hired as an associate for Bengaluru and Mumbai locations, and what's going to be the roles and responsibilities and all the detail. Let's understand everything about that. So first, let's understand about the company, which is JP Morgan Chase. So JP Morgan Chase is one of the world's largest and most trusted financial institutions operating across the banking, payment, risk, and digital finance. So this role is part of the customer and community banking risk analytics team. So let's understand more about the role details. So it's, as I mentioned, it's to a strategic analyst as associate, and you will be a part of the team called as digital fraud strategy into risk and analytics. And the location is going to be Mumbai and Bengaluru, and experience required is up to 2 years or 1 to 2 years experience. Even if you are a freshers with exceptional skills into data and strategic building, you can just give a try into this opportunity. So it's a full-time opportunity, and last date to apply is 23rd or 22nd of December. So still have 3 to 4 days to go. So just try to apply as soon as you receive this job from our end. So let's understand what the team does. So this team works on digital fraud prevention across UPIs like payments, GILA, ACH, wire, bill payment, etc. They will also work on real-time payments and fund transfer. They are using machine learning models, analytics, and business rules to reduce the fraud losses, improve alert efficiencies, reducing the customer complaints or customer churn, and thus improving the overall customer experience. So that is how you are going to be a very important key player into the team and into the organization. So now let's directly understand the key responsibilities at this wonderful organization. So in this role, you will be basically involved into analyzing large scale and complex data sets to detect fraud trends, designing the risk rules and fraud strategies, improving alert systems, and automating reviews. Plus, you will be also presenting the insights to senior leaderships using PPTs and storytelling, so working with cross-functional teams using agile methodologies, plus helping designing new fraud prevention products and and other analytics system as well. So now let's understand the skills required for this particular role. So as I mentioned, you should have around 1 to 2 years of experience. Along with that, you should also have the strong skill sets in SQL, Python, SAS, R language, and experience handling large data set, strong Excel skills, along with the PowerPoint skill as well. Plus, you must have the ability to explain the complex data into the simplex business language. Or maybe I would say you should have the very good data storytelling skill. We telling that in technical terms, and you must have the passion for problem solving and analytics as well. So why and who should apply? So first of all, this role is ideal if you are a data analyst, risk analyst who is already working into a company into these particular roles and interested into the banking fintech company like JP Morgan Chase, which is also one of the top company. And if you are someone who is also comfortable working with data plus business stakeholders, more into like business analyst and risk analyst role, then this job is for you. So that's it for this opportunity. And if you want to apply for this role, just check out the link in description. We have mentioned direct link for this job, and apply as soon as possible because you just have 3 to 4 days left for this job to expire. So apply before it gets expired and keep yourself in the race. So that's it. If you are actually looking to grow your career into analytics and strategy, then this is really a great opportunity for you guys. So go check it out, apply as soon as possible. And if you loved our content, like this video, subscribe to our channel for the onwards for daily analytics and job updates. And comment JPMC if you want more analytics job into these big fintechs. And yes, that's it for this wonderful opportunity. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.